NVIDIA AI Summit Overview Extended. Welcome to today's video. We're diving into the key highlights from NVIDIA's recent AI Summit, held in Washington, D.C. from October 7th to 9th. This major event brought together industry leaders, experts, and innovators to explore how AI can tackle some of society's most pressing challenges in sectors like cybersecurity, healthcare, and manufacturing. Held at the Ronald Reagan Building, the summit featured nearly 50 sessions, including hands-on workshops, live demonstrations, and valuable networking opportunities. Key topics included advancements in cybersecurity, healthcare innovation, generative AI, industrial digitalization, and more, demonstrating how NVIDIA and its partners are at the forefront of AI technology's most promising applications. Special addresses and key sessions. One of the main highlights was a special address by Bob Pett, NVIDIA's Vice President of Enterprise Platform, who spoke on the far-reaching benefits of AI across industries. He emphasized NVIDIA's role in driving breakthroughs in areas like sensor processing, digital twins, and autonomous systems. According to Pett, these technologies aren't just futuristic concepts, they're real-world solutions that are transforming entire industries by improving productivity, efficiency, and safety. Another notable speaker was Greg Estes, NVIDIA's Vice President of Corporate Marketing, who presented insights into NVIDIA's developer program. He discussed the Deep Learning Institute's mission to prepare the next generation of AI talent by providing in-depth training programs and hands-on experience. NVIDIA's commitment to equipping developers, engineers, and researchers with the skills needed to lead in AI is setting a strong foundation for the future. Lisa Einstein, Chief AI Scientist at the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, also presented a critical executive perspective on AI's role in reshaping cybersecurity. She offered insights into how AI is revolutionizing cyber operations and protecting national infrastructure against a wide range of emerging threats. Sherry Buckstein, CEO of the Weather Company, highlighted how AI can address environmental challenges, particularly in climate monitoring. Helena Fu, a director at the US Department of Energy, expanded on this by discussing AI's role in sustainable technology and how it is improving national security. Together, their sessions underscored the interdisciplinary impact of AI, from enhancing environmental resilience to bolstering national security. Innovations in generative AI and robotics. NVIDIA's Vice President of Omniverse, Rev Leberedian, explored AI advancements in physical AI, autonomy, and robotics, explaining how Omniverse technology is accelerating innovation. He discussed how AI-powered simulations are enabling breakthroughs in robotics and automation, which allow for greater precision and safety across industries. Meanwhile, Carrie Brisky, VP of Generative AI Software Product Management, elaborated on NVIDIA's Generative AI platform and its wide-reaching impact across sectors. This technology enables complex, highly creative processes that were once impossible, opening new doors for industries from healthcare to the arts. Generative AI is a prime example of how AI can transform workflows, increase productivity, and create new opportunities for innovation. Healthcare was another focus area at the summit. Leaders like Renee Wegrazin, director of ARPA-H, and Rory Kelleher, who manages global business development in healthcare for NVIDIA, spoke on AI's transformative role in healthcare. They discussed how AI is enabling more efficient medical research, improving diagnostics, and supporting healthcare delivery. Tenya Das from the Bipartisan Policy Center provided insights on how AI can drive scientific discovery, strengthen national security, and fuel economic growth. Autonomous vehicles and AI in transportation. Autonomous vehicle, AV, technology was a significant topic at the summit. Mark Rosekind, former administrator of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and Danny Shapiro, NVIDIA's VP of Automotive, discussed the need for standardized safety guidelines for AVs. NVIDIA's strategy for AV development involves a three-computer system. The first computer trains the AI supporting AV technology. The second simulates and tests these systems, and the third is installed within the vehicle to process sensor data in real time, allowing the vehicle to make safe decisions on the road. This integration of training, testing, and in-vehicle processing enables AVs to operate safely in diverse conditions. AV researcher Marco Pavone discussed how advancements in generative AI and neural rendering are transforming AV development. These technologies make it possible to create highly realistic simulation environments where developers can rigorously test AVs in various scenarios, ensuring they're ready to handle complex, real-world driving challenges. MITRE, a non-profit research organization, made an exciting announcement at the summit, a partnership with McCity to create a comprehensive AV validation platform. This platform will include both virtual and physical testing environments designed to ensure that AVs meet rigorous safety standards before being deployed on public roads. By using McCity's advanced simulation tools and digital twin technology, MITRE aims to provide a realistic testing environment that will foster public trust in AV technology. AI for energy and climate initiatives. AI's role in addressing energy and climate issues was a major focus. US Secretary of Energy Jennifer Granholm highlighted AI's potential to solve major national challenges, from tackling climate change to enhancing national security. She spoke on the rising demand for energy driven by AI's rapid growth and projected a 15% increase in power demand, primarily due to data centers. Granholm noted that the Department of Energy is working proactively to meet this demand through clean energy initiatives.
We have 17 national laboratories, 40,000 scientists, all trying to solve the biggest problems of our time. It is the solutions department, and now we are deploying clean energy.
In 2024 alone, she stated, the US will add an amount of clean power equivalent to 30 Hoover dams to the national grid, showcasing the impact of sustainable power sources. Tanya Das, from the Bipartisan Policy Center, echoed the sentiment on AI's role in energy innovation. She pointed out that AI enhances every phase of the innovation pipeline, from initial discovery to deployment and beyond. Das also mentioned the growing interest in AI innovation among policymakers in Congress, underlining the importance of government support in driving these initiatives. Helena Fu from the Department of Energy reiterated the value of AI in tackling national security challenges and promoting resilience. She explained that AI is helping address issues ranging from energy security to climate change, pushing scientific capabilities forward and enabling rapid progress. AI for mental health and social good. In the realm of mental health, the Madrid-based startup TherapySide, part of NVIDIA's Inception program, showcased AI tools aimed at enhancing therapy services. Their AI-driven platform assists therapists by transcribing sessions, summarizing notes, and managing scheduling tasks, allowing therapists to focus more on their clients. For those testing these tools, this technology has streamlined the administrative side of therapy, strengthening the therapist-client relationship and fostering trust. TherapySide has ambitious plans to expand these features to support more languages and even offline capabilities, making these benefits accessible in more contexts, including in-person sessions. Such innovations demonstrate how AI can help close significant gaps in mental health services worldwide by supporting mental health workers and improving access to essential care. Networking, collaboration, and sponsorship. The NVIDIA AI Summit was more than just presentations.
Hey, I'm Sujoner, and this was my experience at the NVIDIA AI Summit in Washington, D.C.
It offered valuable networking opportunities with over 95 sponsors, including major players like Dell, Microsoft, and Lockheed Martin. These sponsors showcased how their own AI innovations are transforming industries, and attendees had the chance to explore tools and solutions that address modern-day challenges in both the private and public sectors. The summit also provided participants with hands-on workshops where they could earn certifications in data science, generative AI, and other high-demand technical fields. This emphasis on skill building highlights NVIDIA's commitment to fostering a skilled workforce that is prepared to lead in an AI-driven world. In the expo hall, attendees engaged with partners to learn about AI-powered solutions solving real-world problems. Whether attending in person or virtually, participants gained insights into how AI is creating opportunities, enhancing productivity, and driving positive change across industries. Advancements in autonomous vehicle guidelines. A key focus area is the development of guidelines for autonomous vehicles, AVs, particularly the need for consistency and safety regulations. Mark Rosenkranz and Danny Shapiro discussed the regulatory challenges AVs face in the US, where federal agencies focus on vehicle standards, while state governments set operator requirements like licensing and insurance. This patchwork of regulations makes AV deployment more complex. Shapiro shared staggering statistics on global road safety, noting that human errors remain the leading cause of traffic incidents. NVIDIA's strategy for AV technology aims to address these issues by using simulation to rigorously test AVs in varied conditions, improving safety and performance. Simulation and testing in autonomous vehicle development. NVIDIA also showcased advancements in simulation technology for AV development. By using generative AI and neural rendering, NVIDIA can create realistic, controllable scenarios where developers test AVs against various conditions. Once a simulation is created, it can be run repeatedly, allowing developers to refine and perfect AV systems. The summit marked an important announcement from MITRE and a collaboration to create a state-of-the-art AV testing platform. This joint platform incorporates sensor simulations based on real-world physics, creating an environment where AVs can be tested for safety and performance rigorously. MITRE plans to leverage NVIDIA's Omniverse Cloud Sensor RTX APIs, enabling developers to conduct realistic, large-scale simulations. This announcement was met with optimism by industry experts. Mark Rosekind called it a critical step for independent and neutral safety testing, underscoring the importance of collaboration between research organizations and industry. AI's role in scientific discovery and national security. During a panel discussion, leaders from government, academia, and industry examined how AI is advancing scientific discovery and national security. Wu, from the Department of Energy, explained that AI's ability to streamline complex research processes is transformative for scientific fields. By accelerating both innovation and implementation, AI allows researchers to address national security and resilience challenges more effectively. Karthik Duresai, director of the Michigan Institute for Computational Discovery and Engineering, spoke on AI's impact on science, describing it as a collaborative partner that will drive innovation forward. He envisioned a future where AI enables research